Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Meitu app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here, and just click here on me. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on general here and just click here on general. It's going to take you to next CPU. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings. You just click here on settings. It's going to take you to next CPU. So then all you have to do next, just go down here. You come here to save location here. Info here, click in this sign or this color. When just click in this sign here, like you see color, it's gone. That means save location info. Disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.